Chia seeds are a powerhouse of nutrients that offer many health benefits for the human body. The seeds are high in fiber, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids, which all work together to promote good health. Chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar levels, improve heart health, and reduce inflammation. They are also a great source of protein and can be added to many dishes. So here is the top benefits of chia seeds for the human body. 1. Chia seeds enhance bone and nerve health. 2. Chia seeds boost the immune system. 3. Chia seeds help lower cholesterol levels. 4. The seeds regulate blood sugar levels. 5. Chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber. 6. Chia seeds can help you lose weight by regulating appetite. 7. Chia seeds are great for building the body. 8. Chia seeds enhance heart health and reduces the risk of heart disease. 9. Chia seeds are hypoallergenic and suitable for people with food allergies. 10. Chia seeds regulate blood pressure. Chia seeds contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. 11. Chia seeds promote healthy teeth. Calcium is an essential mineral for cartilage health, and chia seeds are an excellent source of calcium. 12. The chia seeds may serve as a cure for insomnia.